Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Camping Kaizen with Dr. Showman, your trusted guide to outdoor exploration and gear mastery. Today, we're unveiling the top 10 camping essentials that will elevate your outdoor escapades to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just embarking on your first outdoor journey, these indispensable items will revolutionize your camping experience. Let's delve straight in. Our first marvel is the BioLite CampStove 2. This ingenious contraption not only serves as a stove for your culinary adventures, but also harnesses the power of fire to charge your devices. It's innovation in its purest form. Compact, efficient, and eco-friendly, the CampStove 2 is a testament to human ingenuity in the great outdoors. Next on our list is the Nemo Helio Portable Pressure Shower. Bid adieu to frigid washes in the wilderness. This portable shower harnesses solar energy to provide you with warm, invigorating showers wherever your adventures take you. Compact, reliable, and rejuvenating, the Helio shower is a game changer for hygiene on the go. Now, let's ignite the culinary maestro within you with the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cookware set. This comprehensive ensemble equips you with everything you need to whip up gourmet delights amidst nature's grandeur. Durable, versatile, and space-saving, the Pinnacle Camper Cookware set is a kitchen companion par excellence. For all you connoisseurs of the caffeinated elixir, behold the Jetboil Flash Java Kit. This compact powerhouse enables you to brew the perfect cup of joe swiftly, ensuring you kickstart your day with vigor, even amidst the wilderness. Efficient, convenient, and essential, the Flash Java Kit is a beacon of comfort in the wilderness. Now let's indulge in some well-deserved relaxation with the Kelty Low Love Seat camping chair. Spacious, comfortable, and designed for companionship, this chair beckons you to unwind and revel in the tranquility of nature. Sturdy, inviting, and camaraderie enhancing, the Low Love Seat is an indispensable fixture in your outdoor sanctuary. A rejuvenating night's rest is the cornerstone of any adventure, and the Exped Megamat sleeping pad ensures you slumber like royalty amidst the elements. Luxuriously cushioned and generously sized, it's a sanctuary for weary souls. Plush, supportive, and essential, the Megamat sleeping pad is your ticket to nocturnal bliss under the star-studded canopy. When the chill of the night descends, you need a sleeping bag that envelops you in warmth and comfort. Enter the Marmot Trestles 15 Cold Weather Sleeping Bag, your cocoon of coziness amidst the cold embrace of the wilderness. Insulating, snug, and dependable, the Trestles sleeping bag is your trusty ally against the elements. Goal: 0, Yeti 150, portable power station. In this digital age, staying connected is paramount, even amidst nature's embrace. The Goal 0, Yeti 150 portable power station empowers you to charge your devices and illuminate your campsite with ease, courtesy of the sun's radiant energy. Reliable, eco-conscious, and empowering, the Yeti 150 is a beacon of modernity in the heart of the wilderness. Your sanctuary amidst the wilderness deserves nothing but the best, and the MSR Hubba NX2 Person Lightweight Tent delivers just that. Spacious, lightweight, and resilient, it's a haven of comfort in nature's grand amphitheater. Sturdy, liberating, and indispensable, the Hubba tent is your steadfast refuge amidst the ebb and flow of outdoor exploration. Finally, let's savor the culinary delights of the wilderness with the Sea to Summit Alpha Light Titanium Utensil Set. Crafted from lightweight titanium, these utensils are a testament to elegance and functionality amidst nature's bounty. Sleek, durable, and refined, the Alpha Light Utensil Set adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor dining experience. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, our top 10 camping essentials for the ultimate outdoor odyssey. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Camping Kaizen. Until next time, embrace the call of the wild and embark on your own epic adventures.